Okay, it's Canseco back again. This time we got the 2010 Topps Platinum. That's eBay item number 310-303-096-876. Topps Platinum product. It's my first break with this Platinum product. Serial number ending in 2402. Supposed to be 2 rookie autograph refractors and 1 autograph patch relic in every box. As you can see, the seal is intact. You can see the seal there. So let's get started, and good luck to everybody. You can see the seal right here. The box is sealed. Okay. Get these packs out. The inside of the box. See, the box is empty. Box 2360 CM1 on the inside. Okay, let's get started. Good luck to everybody. First pack. Looks like Steve Smith, James Harrison, Aurelius Ben right off the bat. First pack. 345, 400 for the Bucks. Got a Taylor Price rookie and a Felix Jones. Next pack. Kevin Cole, Brandon Marshall, Troy Polamalu, Jacoby Ford refractor, number 489 of 999, and a Dez Bryant rookie. Nice card. Great rookie. Reggie Bush, Matthew Stafford, Antonio Bryant, Brandon LaFell rookie, Carlton Mitchell rookie. Nice, thick Darius Thomas. This one, I guess you call it the fat rookie. No number, but good card. Toby Gerhart rookie. Tony Pike rookie. Vernon Davis. Matt Castle, Ray Rice, Sean Canfield, rookie, no number, Rob Gronkowski, Kellen Winslow. Let me get these straightened out right quick. Put the base in with the rookies. Feels like a thick pack here. Steve Jackson. Boy, today looks like it's been Ben Tate day all the way around. 162 of 800. Jersey patch. Ben Tate. Sam Bradford rookie. Joe Webb rookie. Antonio Gates. Tony Romo. Anquan Bolden. Adrian Peterson. David Reed. And Jonathan Crompton rookie. Pretty nice looking cards. Like I say, first time I've opened a box of these. We'll do it again soon. I kind of like these. Roddy White, Percy Harvin, Peyton Manning, Dexter McCluster rookie, Jonathan Dyer rookie. That feels thick. Brian Cushing, Jerome Harrison, James Starks rookie. No autograph. It's one of the thick ones. Armani Edwards rookie and a Montario Hardesty rookie. Miles Austin base, Jason Witten base, Brett Favre base, Jimmy Graham rookie, Andre Roberts rookie, checklist. DeMarcus Ware base, Deshaun Jackson base, Dwayne Bowe base, Jahavid Best rookie, Anthony McCoy rookie. Cadillac Williams, Braylon Edwards, Earl Thomas, Joe McKnight rookie. Seems to be getting to be a pretty hot card. A lot of people collecting McKnight. And a Joseph Adai base. Marcus Colston, Dallas Clark, DJ Williams, Derek Morgan rookie, Desmond Briscoe rookie. Cedric Benson, Frank Gore, Pierre Thomas, Jimmy Clausen rookie. Well, check that out. 2 Jimmy Clausens right in a row. No number on either one. But that's pretty interesting. 2 Clausens in a pack and a checklist. To pick up the speed, Randy Moss, Michael Crabtree, Sean Green, Riley Cooper, Aaron Hernandez rookie. I like to just take my time, but YouTube don't like to let us go past 15. Chad Ochocinco, Ricky Williams, Beanie Wells, Ryan Matthews rookie, CJ Spiller's rookie. Two good backs. Straight together. Mike Sims Walker. Carson Palmer. Santana Moss. Old Mike Kafka rookie. Rolando McClain. Eli Manning. Lee Evans. John Beeson. Jermaine Gresham. Zach Robinson. Another checklist. TJ Hosmandala. Matt Ryan. Steve Smith. Jordan Shipley. Aurelius Ben rookie. Phillip Rivers. Ray Lewis. Fred Jackson. Monterio Hardesty, number 38 of 499. Refractor. Golden Tate. So we got 4 packs to go. Mark Sanchez. Jason Campbell. Jermaine Gresham. Rookie card. Looks like 643 of 999. Nice hit. A Sue rookie. Good card. Matt Forte. 3 to go. Kenny Britt. Greg Jennings. Eddie Royal. Gerald McCoy rookie. Ben Tate rookie. Pack feels thick. Wes Welker. Ed Reed. Marty Gilliard. One of the big, thick rookies. And Marty Gilliard again. And the last pack. Drew Brees. Darrell Revis. Vince Young. Emmanuel Sanders. Charles Scott. And the checklist. So it looks like the look through here right quick. Autos were Grisham. The Tate jersey. $162 of 800. Okay, guys, I'll get these all out in the mail real quick, and look for my other auctions. I'll be having a couple more of these platinum breaks. Pretty good looking product. Might just order a case and get a bunch of breaks going. Gonna have some more contenders and several other ones. And we also had this Aurelius Ben auto. Nice card. Okay, thanks. Appreciate it. See you again soon. Watch the auctions, Canseco's listings. I appreciate it. Thanks.